Hello traders, welcome to live stream. Am I audible to you? Hello. Am I audible to you? Just let me know, traders. Hello Sindhil Kumar sir, welcome to the live stream. Hello everyone. Quickly after you join, please ensure you like the video, support the channel. Hi sir, technically all fine. Okay. Hello sir, yes. Sartek, okay. Whoever has joined the live stream, don't forget to like the video. It will support the channel. Now quickly, the US market is going to open in another 6 minutes. Meanwhile, you can see I've put a risk reward calculator here. This is simply based on the update what I shared in the group, right? Around 7:35, I had shared this zone. I had said this is the buying demand zone. So from where the market has moved right now, it is moving up from this buying demand zone itself, right? So whoever has entered the trade based on this, just I want to give you a quick update. US market is yet to open. Maybe when you would have entered when I give the update here, right? Around 7:35. So in case you're a bit worried because of US market open, target is ideally this area, 96,990. From there, if market continues, basically we have to trail, but it is important, if this is your risk after market has moved so much, it is important that you trail your stop loss at least up to this zone. Why I say this is because US market is about to open. So how many of you took the trade based on the update what I shared in the community group saying that this is the buying zone? Please ensure you have trailed your stop loss. Okay. News candle. What is the news, sir? What is the news? See, basically, my view, everything which I have about Indian market and crypto market, it is mostly based on price action and stop loss hunting, right? I don't personally go and look at the news and other things at all. Only focus will be on the price, because price will say everything. Sometimes, yes, price will confuse us, things like that, like yesterday. But the goal is to ensure most of the days there will not be any news. Market, everything will be happening based on price action, stop loss hunting, right? So with that logic only, mostly I will not give too much importance to news. Producer price index in USD. Okay. Now, those of you who's taken the trade, I'll just explain the logic behind why I discussed about the setup, okay, in the group. Now here, market gave a breakout, right? During this breakout, many people would have entered. Fine. Big players, let's say they only push the market towards the upside to remove all the weak players in the past. After that, they just kept quiet. They did not do anything. So from the upper zone, after maybe they would have created these candles, after that all this movement what has happened, it is retail traders participation. You can see how small these candles are. Market was very slow at this point of time. So looking at this bearish move, many people would have entered. What quickly the big player did, he formed a huge candle here. He hunted all the stop losses. After stop loss hunting, there was no other stop loss hunting on top. So he just kept quiet. Because of that, again market started correcting. So seller stop loss is over. Again market corrected. Here the buyer who entered here, the big player who entered here, he allowed the market to correct, right? If market comes to the support, looking at this candle, again people will think about entering bullish trade. So before reaching this level itself, he might plan to push the market little higher, just like this. Okay. With that logic itself, I said this is the buying pressure zone. Market has corrected, removed all the stop loss hunting areas. Looking at this candle, anyone entered also. Weak buyers market removed. After removing weak buyers, the real big player, they entered the market and they decided to push the market towards the upside. My goal is before US market open, if this target is achieved, very less things to worry, right? So that is why this setup I had shared. PPI index at 7 o'clock. Market already shot up during that time. Waiting for US market today. Okay. I too didn't focus on news, but I will take a look only when there is a high impact news. All right. See, whoever has taken this trade, market is already given 1.7 risk reward for your trade. So better, please ensure you trail your stop loss to the maximum and just wait for the target. If you're little worried, in 1 minute market will open. If you're a bit worried, then think about booking your profit now itself, or at least get it up to this candle. All right. So quickly, once spike comes also, that will be beneficial for you. Are you in this trade? My wife is in this trade. In her account, I've taken, placed this risk reward and things like that. Anyways, she is watching my live stream. No, that update is for her also. Okay, US market is open. By then, this target, if it achieves, why is the data not reflecting? US market is open right today. Now this particular trade, whoever has taken, almost target is you have reached. So please, if you want to trail your stop loss to the maximum, please do that. See, before the setup starts itself, we had discussed, I have explained all the logic behind why I expected the upside move. Around 7:35, I've told this is the buying pressure zone. Just like I told about Nifty today, right? Where is it? I don't know if it's gone or not. In Nifty, what did I say today? This can be the buying pressure zone from where market can move towards the upside. Bank Nifty is holding on to the upper range. It can move towards the upside. All that update, whatever I shared, I've shared that in this one also. Maybe you can see that update what I shared in the crypto group here. I told mark this area traders as it is the buying zone. Nifty has respected this level. Nifty has to respect this level for upside move. Can I enter a put option trade? No, because Bank Nifty is holding on the upper level and Nifty is at buyer pressure zone. So that is where both the index started moving. So like that, based on price action, stop loss hunting, where the buyers can re-enter, all those things we will spend some time and think. Once we understand the logic, where probability is kind of high, we discuss the setup. So since I was not live, I shared that in the crypto community group. So if you're interested, even you can join crypto community group. All you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. You see this is the link. You can use this link. Sorry, this link. In all the video description, you will find the link. So anyone by chance, if you have trailed your stop loss, if your stop loss has hit, right, for this trade, then just wait for the next setup. As of now, there is no setup in the market. We will wait, traders, we will get a decent setup. Now, what is the view you guys are having about the market? What is the probability of market moving towards the upside or downside? According to you, you can just have a guess and you can tell me. Now I'll just consider this zone. If market reach this trade is over, because many people who's come live now, they might get confused. Okay. So this upside move is all about removing weak players again who thought about entering a bearish trade, right? So their stop loss is hunted. Now trend continuation will happen, or from this zone market will correct. This one we have to wait and see a bit. If this upper zone breaks, then maybe we can say the market's next target is this area. Where is it? This area, 1,01,000. That can be the next upper zone for the market. All right. Why I say this is because maybe you can go to 15 minutes time frame. Here you will see previously this was the resistance in the market. Market moved up, all the confidence of this sellers market removed. From the upside they started putting pressure. Now again, when market comes to this zone, these sellers can put pressure again in the market and push it towards the downside, because if these sellers are strong, all the stop loss hunting is done. There is no other stop loss hunting from where market can fall. So that time probability will be around 70 to 80% at that zone for reversal. That is why. Okay. I hope you have got clarity about why I have decided this zone 1 lakh 100, 1 lakh 150 level. Now we will see what can happen. Might be is this can be a cup, market can form a handle later. If it gives a breakout, upside potential is there. Still we don't know if these sellers are going to push the market towards the downside or not. So random entry I'm not taking as of now. I feel bearish as it needs to hunt for SL. See, it can move down, but the problem is this candle, right? This candle previously it had hunted the stop loss of weak sellers. Again, what happened? This candle. Again, this hunted the stop loss of weak sellers. Now this correction, what happened? Again, continues this move, the setup what I discussed. Again, here weak sellers are removed. Why are weak sellers continuously being removed in the market? Maybe because market doesn't want retail traders to participate when it moves towards the upside. Not necessary, when there is no stop loss hunting zone, then market has to create trend. Every time we cannot say there is stop loss hunting in the market. And one more thing is here, this is where market moved towards the upside, right? Whoever wanted to buy, until this level he would have waited, looking at double bottom. Market did not give a chance for them only. Buyers re-entered. I told earlier, buyers can enter here. So from here only they have pushed. That means they don't want fresh people to enter at this bottom. You're getting my point, sir? See, this is my personal opinion. This is what I am thinking. How I'm looking at the market, I'm explaining that to you, so that maybe if whatever logic I'm saying, if it makes sense, you can utilize for yourself also in the future. So US market is kind of, we can say everything is under 1% only right now. Okay, so let's see if it holds on to this range, gives a breakout. We can consider this as cup and handle pattern and then move, or even if it corrects little 50-60% from here, if it moves, it can be even better entry for us. So it depends as of now. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the updates which I'm sharing with you here, then please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing. It motivates me to make regular videos like this for you guys. When can we enter? See traders, this I'm saying, no, this is a kind of cup. If market is trying to form handle, we don't know handle can be formed like this also. Like this handle can be formed, or handle can be formed like this. If that is the case, we have to wait for market to create that liquidity, later move towards the upside, right? So this move can be to hunt the stop loss of all the weak buyers. Now again, looking at this resistance anyone is entering, okay, little to attract little more people. If market corrects a bit like this, then gives a breakout, or at this zone only it gives a breakout after consolidation, maybe little we can focus on the buying side. What if it breaks directly? See, that is always there, right? Fear of missing out opportunity is always there. If that setup is not there, we will wait for the next setup. That's it. To be on a safer side, what we have done, we have taken 1 minute time frame. Okay, so 1 minute time frame we have taken. Based on that, we will decide our quickly. If the candle moves, we'll get to know. Based on that, if the setup is there, we will try. Rohit sir, okay. Yogesh sir, you saw the setup that we discussed in the group here from the buying pressure zone. I had given up to 1:2 risk reward around 900 points, but market has gone up to 1200 points also. Not just this update, morning also I think one more update we had shared here, right? Around 7:30 a.m. I discussed about this zone, saying that seller's zone is this one. BTC consolidation near seller's zone. Maybe BTC might face resistance at seller zone to attract more liquidity, but chances of breakout is high. So from that time, if you see, this breakout and all happened later point of the day only. So from where now I'm on a 1 minute time frame, so I can't show, but you can go and check from morning. Yeah, I saw that. Okay. So we can take certain levels as our support, or we can use Fibonacci levels as our supporting area in this case, where okay, what I will do, I'll take the Fibonacci levels, I will mark it here. So if we will see how far the market is coming at this zone or this zone, from here any bullish setup, is it giving any breakout setup? Maybe that time we can focus. This is little risky only entering here, but small stop losses we have to be ready, right, to give, to capture bigger moment when it comes. So little we will wait, traders. If you get the setup, good. How is the US market performing? US market is holding on to, it is bullish to neutral only. Around 49 people watching the live stream, only 19 likes. Come on traders, support the channel by liking the video. Hi, I'm new here. Santosh sir, welcome to the live stream. As of now, market is trying to hold this, 382 level of Fibonacci. 1, 2, 3 red candles, which is showing some bearishness in the market right now. So any strong bullishness at this zone or little lower, maybe we can look for any reversal setup. Okay. So we'll wait for some time. Reasonable stop loss for the trade if we have to give. At this zone and all, we cannot plan. If I had randomly entered here, see, stop loss would have hit. You're welcome, Santosh sir. Hopefully this area, if it acts as support, then it can be a good thing. Kind of trying to hold. If I give my stop loss up to here, not bad, decent 340 points profit means. So I will just enter 50 units here. Okay, wait. Yeah. This is showing little more continuation. Too much continuation should not happen. One green candle followed by another green candle. That would be a bit ideal for us. It will be easy for us to decide the stop loss level also, because the goal is to give small stop losses today. We will see, traders. Finally, it has corrected a lot. Maybe this area, maybe we will see. Now, if I miss out, it's kind of decent. 2 attempts I'll be doing on the buying side. Okay. So if it comes to the zone, any quick momentum, good buying zone will be 96,000. Okay. We'll see, sir. Here I feel okay, one attempt we can do. If this fails, maybe at this zone, after breaking this level, if market corrects, that time I'll focus. Exactly at the zone, I might not think about, planning. Because this is where market moved. Many people know this can act as the recent support. Before coming to the recent support, only any correction I might have to get to look for the setup. Continuous bearishness. Here a bit of buying pressure we can see, but if I enter here, my stop loss at least has to be up to this zone, because if the stop loss also, if market hits, it will make bigger movement. So no point in giving bigger stop loss. So what I'm thinking, okay, market is continuously bearish here. So in case I enter right now, okay, I have entered the bullish trade. So stop loss little, I will, sometimes what happens is market continuously goes towards, I'll go here, place my stop loss trigger for the trade. That's the most important thing. Now I will leave it to the market to decide. Okay, you have corrected enough, continuously this move is there. If the buyers can re-enter, if they push, then possibility is there for the continuation. So I will attempt that. Okay, little buyers pressure I'm able to see. Okay, you see in this particular trade, this is the stop loss which I have decided because that is ideal. If market goes up below this zone also, right, if it goes up below this zone also, bigger downside movement also is possible. So no point in giving a bigger stop loss than this at this point of time. So with that logic only, I have taken this trade. If I am planning to go long, this is the stop loss. Stop loss we have decided, target up to this high we can try. Hopefully traders, if buyers start putting pressure again from this zone, and if it reaches the target level, already nice correction here. After that there is no stop loss hunting at the bottom, right? If a big movement towards the upside, you see like this, if it comes, there's no other stop loss hunting level at the bottom. When it reaches here, that time if it consolidates and giving a breakout, potential is high. Okay, so based on that, first we will see, let it reach that level first, then I'll discuss about the next probability. Around 42 people watching the live stream, only 26 likes. Come on traders. Now while this trade is going on, those who wish to join our crypto community group for absolutely free of cost, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You can see these are the kind of updates which I share. I said this is the buying pressure zone around this time. From here only, very nice momentum in PTC towards the upside. Morning also, one more discussion we had saying that from this zone, if market breaks, potential of breakout is high. You can read that out here. So similar kind of momentum has happened in the market. Apart from the update, you also get access to our crypto strategy, right? So this is success rate is 50 to 60%, but when the success rate happens, these are the kind of movements you will get, right? When you're making 1:3, 1:4, when the movement happens, see these kind of movements, it is indicator based strategy. So you don't require anybody's support, because already how to plan our entry, how much quantity we have to take, how to focus uh, on our entry, all those things, everything step by step I would have explained. So if you go and watch that, you will get clarity as to how to trade on your own, right? So you can do paper trading for a while and see the success rate. If you're happy with it, you can do it. Okay, so all those things will be provided for you for absolutely free of cost if you open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. All right, the link is there in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out. Also in the pinned comment right now, I'm going to share the link. So there's the link to open account with Delta Exchange. If you're interested, you want to become a part of our crypto community group For regular market updates, you can open account and join. All right. Little seller's pressure is there. Hopefully this level has to break. After the initial move, market has kind of become dull, right? Lakshmi Narayana sir, if my stop loss hits again, I will do one more attempt, but after breaking 96,000. We will see at that time. Sir, currently my trading is only in Indian market. Kindly suggest what to do, what to trade in crypto. See, already I have made a basic video on YouTube. Okay, it is around 30-35 minutes video. In that, everything I have discussed: how to trade in crypto, how much risk we have to take, what should be the stop loss, since we are trading in dollars, how to calculate the risk, each and everything we have discussed. Okay, so in that particular video, you can go and check it out. If you want for that video also, if I can find, I will share the link with you. So after watching, you can copy that link and keep. Later after this live stream, you can go and watch that video. Okay. In that, everything I have covered. So this is the video link. Who wants to watch, you can go and check out that video. It has all the required details related to how to trade in the crypto market and things like that. Little selling pressure I'm able to see here. Market is kind of trying to hold this range between sellers and buyers. That pressure is continuously happening, no doubt. That time you could see what kind of volatile this one candle alone was making, right? So buyers, one area of re-entering is this. If this fails, one more setup I'll be looking at. Okay. Sellers are putting a bit pressure, traders. Okay. Anyways, around $16 done for this trade. I'll look for one more setup. Now from here, if it reverses, definitely it is going to be, exactly from this level buyers are putting pressure. Let We'll see what this candle is size. 260. Okay, we'll wait for some more time. Corrected up to 50%. Again, it is holding on to this range. So maybe what I can do is I'll form a box here. We'll see how market is reacting within this range. Is it respecting this box area or not? Based on how it respects the box area, we will decide what is the potential. Within this box only it is still trading, no closing below that. If the market goes above this zone, right, once more, if it goes above the zone once more, maybe I will consider a buying trade here. But what is the US market doing right now? All the initial gains what the market did, it is kind of flat right now. Before, at least close to 1%, some index was more than 1% plus. Now it is kind of 0.29%. Everything is under 0.3% itself. Isn't it forming lower highs and lower lows? Yes, it is forming, sir. Low, high, high, low, lower high, lower low. Even if you want to take a bearish trade, maybe let's say it is attracting buyers here, right? This became lower low. It is attracting buyers. Later, any correction if you get, maybe that time we can plan. So until then, little patiently waiting is better, because we don't know how strong these buyers are. For example, let's say support 1, support 2, market broke the support. From here it is retesting, then showing bearishness. Then maybe okay, we can focus on bearish side a bit. Until then, this box area only is becoming a confusion zone. You can see how many times market is holding on. If it's breaking this level also, again within this box it's coming. So that is one thing. Just trading in this zone only. Any strong movement towards the upside or downside, maybe little we can focus. Within this zone, what to do? If it goes here, corrects, it's a problem if you take a bullish trade. So here, immediately at the zone, if I enter, next if it is a green candle, continuation will happen. So that is one problem. So the zone only is a confusing zone in the market. Now, what is your view, traders? What do you think? Around 30 minutes done after market opening. What is your view? You think market will move up from this area? Is it going to just hold on to this range, or it's going to correct? Yeah, again in this box it's coming. Breakdown, retest. Again, if it breaks, we will see, or if it shows continuation, we will see on the upside. If it breaks down, we will see on the downside. Not going to plan anything within the zone. No trading zone, it seems. Yes. Sir, why not posting Nifty Bank Nifty pre-market analysis video? I'm posting it in the free Telegram channel only. In free Telegram channel, every day I'm posting. Today I did not do that because of this festive holiday. Apart from that, many updates I've shared yesterday, day before yesterday, and all pre-market analysis I'm sharing in the group. See, traders, buyers are trying to hold on to this level, so hopefully the length of the candle. See, only problem here is these buyers allow the market to go so far, right? So from here we don't know, and there has been selling pressure also from top. We don't know how strong these buyers are. Are they having that potential to remove all the weak players at this zone? If they remove that, then bigger movement in the market is possible. Only above the zone if it goes. So if these sellers are weak again, this can be a lower high and then again correction. That is one problem that we will be facing. See, again it came off to this consolidation range. After this correction, it's almost come to the same area where I planned my entry. Combination, sir, you follow our free Telegram channel, okay? There, during pre-market, I will share off the video about Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, because it is becomes more easy for me to share that there, because we have the gift this gift Nifty would have been opened. We, to a certain extent, we can know if market is opening with gap up, gap down, what it is. We have the US market data. Since we have everything with us, then we can try that. See here, this was turning to breakout. It failed. Sellers again, they tried to push, that also failed. Now buyers are starting to put some pressure in the market. So this is around 250 260 points again. One more attempt on the buy side I will do, because it's come out of the zone. All right, stop loss little lower. Hopefully they show continuation, or else it's going to be a bit of problem. Still, I'm not that sure how strong these buyers are, right? As long as they break this zone, continuation can be big once they do that. Or else, like I said, lower high it can form and then correct. That possibility is there. But what is the reason I took the trade? Because if I give a stop loss is going to be small. If I'm going to give the stop loss for this trade, stop loss is going to be small, no problem. If I achieve the target at least 1:2, from there plan is not to not to this one square off the position here, rather hold it for continuation. Risk is always that I place the stop loss, because I'm okay to give the stop loss. Target is something what I'll keep waiting for, and I will try to extend and go. See, there is no difference between this setup what I took or the earlier setup what I took. It was just unfortunate that it hit the stop loss and then corrected. Okay. As long as market breaks this zone and this zone, right? Or at least up to this zone. If it comes off to this zone, then potential of continuation only is high than reversal. So that is why I'm holding on to this trade. Maybe it can give me an opportunity of bigger upside move. Lakshmi Narayan sir, almost market came to that zone only, right? 96,000. You were saying a safe entry in the market can be somewhere here near this support. My plan was to enter little before that support, but what to do? That's okay. Market is market. We'll wait for little more time. If market breaks the upper level or goes above 97,000, then our stop loss, whatever we have kept, no point in giving such a big stop loss. We will trail that. Until then, let the stop loss be. Sellers are planning to kind of re-enter in the market here. As long as this level breaks, little probability will be 50%. But once it breaks this level, right? See, if I have to capture this upside move, there is no other option than for me to enter. Without entering at this zone, if I enter, okay, the next setup. But here, whatever movement is there, 50% of the movement will already be over. Remaining 50% only I have to wait. But here, if I enter, if I plan for 1:2 risk reward, little market can correct here. Again, it can go. By then, if I have kept a small stop loss, it might hit. But here, if I have entered after this zone, even if it corrects, if I get my stop loss to this zone or cost to cost, even if it is correcting around 50 to 60% also, no problem, because I can still hold. Sir, just cover your loss. I will cover my loss once market goes above 97,000. Let it go, sustain, then I will see. See, if you want to trail, you want to cover your stop loss, you want to get your stop loss closer, definitely you are free to do that, right? So no problem in doing that. But for me, how I trade is to until a certain level, I will not, cover my. Uh, I won't get my stop loss towards the upside. Even if it goes to loss, no problem. Until and unless I know that area wherever I've entered, it is going to be a kind of safe zone, I do not cover my stop loss there. I don't change my stop loss levels. Sam Sundar. Sir, did you message me today? I got a message from you. I think so. I'm not sure. Some people might think about entering at this double top also. More people enter here, hunting the stop loss will be more easier for the market. If it corrects like this also slowly, it is better for continuation. When it corrects, I don't know will it correct up to my entry price or little lower. So if I trail my stop loss here, stop loss will hit and later market can move, right? So that's why I'm not interested. But depending on your mindset, if you want to trail, whatever you want to do, you can do. Someone said sometime, okay sir, you were saying, right, lower highs. Market is forming lower high, lower low. Still we did not enter a bearish trade because this is the zone where buyers also still have potential to enter. They have not given up. So that is why we marked the zone and we were waiting. Now little buyers are shown pressure. So hopefully if they push, fine. Now here high, low, lower high, lower low, now lower high. You can see this low is little lower than this low, right? So from here, if they decide to hunt my stop, remove me, then definitely my stop loss will go. But from this zone, if they correct, it is just a correction, and later if they move, my target can be achieved easily. Now thanks everyone for part 154 people are watching. Every day we come live around 8 p.m. If you are interested for regular market updates, you can, or you're interested to learn price action, stop loss hunting concepts live every day, you can come around 8 o'clock. Just ensure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Looks like inverse head and shoulder pattern. What levels are you speaking about, sir? You mean this is the inverse head and shoulder? This is the head you are saying? Inverse head and shoulder, how does it come? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if you say this is the left shoulder, head, there has to be one line, right? That line I'm not able to see here. If I go little back also, we will see. I don't know if you're trying to mean this one, left shoulder, market formed a head, this is the right shoulder, this is the breakout. From here, the length of the head can be the target, like that you're saying. I love your mindset, you are awesome. Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks for taking the time and messaging. If it breaks 97,000, I'm just thinking of trailing SL. It's not doing that. Yes, I maintain 1 minute time frame. Okay, okay. This one only, right? Left shoulder, head, and this is the right shoulder. See, in bullish head and shoulder or bearish head and shoulder, one important thing is left shoulder, okay, head, and the right shoulder has to be lower than the left shoulder, okay. So usually at this breakout only, if you plan your entry, stop loss will be small, target can be big. Our entry is somewhere here. So little early only I have entered, but I will not say based on head and shoulder I entered. No, I did not. I was just thinking that if these buyers, if they're strong, will they enter? That was the first logic for me to look for opportunity. Or if these sellers are strong, after retest, let them push. Then I will go for bearish trade. If these buyers are strong, we'll look for upside opportunity. These buyers showed some continuation, so we planned our entry. So little 1:1 target was achieved. Market is correcting. Here it has given a breakout, attracted some people. Again, their stop loss market can remove. Again, if it moves towards the upside, target will be achieved. Let it go above 97,000, then I will trail. Some of them will come and say, sir, you should have trailed already. So there is a difference between how you look at it, how I look at it. I'm okay to give the stop loss, okay, with that logic only. Let it go down, all the profit, let it go down. If it hits the stop loss also, no problem for me. Only until it goes up to a certain level, I will not try to trail my stop loss. Market might be sideways from 97,300. If it breaks, bigger move is expected. It is created one range, no sir. This is one upper range and this is one lower range. Within this range only market is trading. So that is an issue. That is why at this zone I was initially waiting. If these buyers were really strong, if they held on to this market, we would have got a breakout here also, and next trend they would have tried to capture. That is what I wanted to do, but market too much they corrected. My view is correct. Okay, we will see traders view is correct or wrong. Everything after the trade we will get to know. Where am I based out of? Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm Bangalorean. Where are you from, sir? Santosh? Nagar Bhavi, sir. Okay. Very far from where I stay. I stay in Electronic City. But there's a metro. I am Hosur. Okay. Very nice, sir. How to remove bid ask price? See, you will just, if you have placed the trigger for the order, scroll down, you go for open orders. Okay. There, the orders what you have executed, it will be there. So there, if you want, you can remove. Okay. That you can try. Again, seller's pressure. If I'd have trailed my stop loss, already stop loss would have been hit. Then again, I should have taken a fresh entry if my view is still bullish. So better to stick to that. Give that stop loss at the initial stage only. Do you come live in Indian market as well, sir? In Indian market, I cannot come live, traders, because they don't allow us to trade live. That issue is there. We can only give commentary during the live market. From morning till evening, if I give commentary, what about my trades? Maybe let's say in the future I'm taking 1 week, 2 week break from market, then maybe I can come live. The setup is just going on. Hopefully these buyers re-enter. Absolutely. Just sideways. Yeah, sir. It is sideways, kind of sideways only. Hmm? Little that opportunities, this one where I plan my entry here at this zone somewhere, right? I think I plan my entry somewhere at this zone. So little, if it had come, this moment you see, this moment is close to 700, 800 points. From this area itself, if market started reversing, this was just 300 points. But if it had gone close to 700 points at this zone, right, the probability of breaking and making a bigger momentum towards the upside would have been really high. So that opportunity we cannot miss, right? After moment is over, everyone will say, okay, we should have entered here, we should have done this. That really doesn't put in any money in our account. You take the risk, you will get the reward. Before the market opened, the setup worked really well. The upside move setup, right? Nice movement from the buying pressure zone. Where is it? Nice movement from this buying pressure zone from 730. That was a very good move. Later, kind of sideways it formed. Bigger side upside was expected after hunting stop loss. Okay, you're saying after hunting stop loss. Whose stop loss is there? You mean people who entered at this support? Looking at this support, their stop loss hunted. Here, this breakdown, anyone has entered. If market has to hunt their stop loss quickly, it has to move, or else bigger momentum. If it does, definitely stop loss hunting is not happening. Trend continuation is happening because big movements. Anyone, let's say, entered at the breakdown, they would have made profit already by the time market came here. It's kind of sideways only. But according to me, the potential of upside breakout is high, that I'm sure. But only problem is how much more this market might try to trap people within the zone for longer duration, right? At least it has to go above 97,000 here, and it has to sustain, attract people. Then that move potential is really high. So at least 70-80% chances there. Now you're saying for hunting stop loss market has to go down, but I'm not sure where stop loss hunting is there. Am I looking at 1 minute and I'm not able to guess? See, from here also, after this nice solid move, many people who would have entered, their stop loss was hunted, right? Random people who entered bearish trade also, their stop loss got hunted here. Again, random sellers stop loss getting hunted. So potentially from the beginning, I'm saying market wants to move towards the upside. It is just that it is removing anyone who's thinking of having a bearish mindset or trying to have a bullish mindset about the market. It is just removing all of those people. So once an important zone, if it comes out of it, 97,000 and sustains, then the potential can be there. There's nothing wrong in how you look at the market or how I look at the market. End of the day, market will behave the way how it wants. So when we are wrong, am I giving smaller stop loss? That is all matters for me. Apart from that, too much thinking will not go. In basis, why did I market go against me? All those things and all, if you think it is useless. It's conqueror. Market is just trading within a range, traders. No bullishness, no bearishness. At least it has to come out of this zone. 97,000. If it comes out of this zone, that would be great. Again, cost to cost. Hello, sir. Welcome to the live stream. How much will be the brokerage? Everything I've made the video already. You can go and check it out, sir. Around 1 hour, 10 minutes done. Still, it is just holding on to a range. Hopefully, this breakout, it has corrected. So anyone entered this breakout also, there also weak players market has removed. Still at the upper end, since it was resistance, if it had given a breakout, maybe buyers would have entered. It attracted more sellers only here. Seller stop loss hunted, corrected. From here, if it moves, maybe bigger possibilities towards the upside might be there. Yeah, it is based on the lot size which we have taken. So for 100 units, if you take 100 lot size, brokerage will be around $7. For 50, around $3.5. I'm saying this both for entry and exit together, $7. So one BTC is what? Around 1000 lots. So if you trade according to that, $70 will be the brokerage. The main advantage in crypto trading compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty is the volatility, right? So the volatile movement, how much Nifty and Bank Nifty does, compared to that, you just see here how much movement is around 1500. If you go in the past, how much big movement market has done towards the upside, towards the downside, let it be. If the volatility is high and your direction is high, the initial, let's say the 100 points movement, what the market does, or 120 points, what the market does, that goes for brokerage. Rest everything what the market does is yours, right? Something like that you can consider. I have a doubt when you will think about trailing stop loss. I will trail my stop loss above 97,000. See, some time back someone told me to trail the stop loss also, right? Now, when market moved here, if I had trailed my stop loss cost to cost, stop loss hit, later market is moving. So I wouldn't have even been in this trade, right? So as long as this happens, only then I will decide, okay, cost to cost. More than this, the market should not correct. So more than this, market should not correct. That time I will trail. That's how my psychology comes about trailing stop losses. Okay, each person how they look at trailing stop loss might be different. The way how candle moves up, moves down doesn't matter. For the reasonable stop loss, what we have decided as per our capacity, we decided, right? We decided this is the stop loss I'm going to give. Then when market is correcting or reversing, why worry so much about giving that stop loss? That's okay. Only after a certain level, it is common sense that we have to trail, right? If market has gone up to this zone, for example, I'm telling you, that time still if you're keeping your stop loss here, doesn't make sense, right? It has to be somewhere at the upper zone. So based on how much range market has covered from the time we have entered, depending on that only, stop loss trailing and all those things happen. Just sideways. What to do? What's happening with US market? What's up with it? Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is in green around 3 to 4.5%. Sorry, 0.3 to 0.44%. So we can say it's not too positive. We can say slightly. It is neutral, I can say. I think in the global market also, because of the bullishness, someone was saying the report around 7 o'clock and all. With high expectation, people would have, thought about buying in the market. That is why market, since it doesn't want to give easy profits to people, it is just holding on to a range, removing all the weak players. It's kind of forming a symmetric pattern. Yeah, you can see this and this symmetric pattern. Again the seller pressure. But as it becomes narrow, right? In the symmetric pattern, as it becomes narrow, once any side breakout is possible, that is there. But I'm more inclined towards bullish side. But this should not be such big candle. Market inviting sellers, I think market might shoot up. See, as and when it is trying to invite the sellers, all those things, that is fine. But too many times we can't keep, if it is within a range. Before, of course, we did not know this is going to be we thought this is going to be a range. So here, if it attracts, continuation is possible even after the pullback. But since it is now trading within a range, fresh entry may be better that you wait for market to go above 97,000. Okay, that you can wait, or you can wait for it to come here, retest and shows continuation, something like that. Whoever is new to the channel, every day we come live around 8 o'clock. So if you wish to join a live stream, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you're making use of the content which we are sharing in this video, then support the channel by liking the video. Now, if you wish to join our free crypto community group, you can do that by opening account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment, also in the description box below. By joining our crypto community group, you get regular updates related to BTC and other uh, cryptocurrencies, and also you get access to our strategy, so you can watch this video. So everything is absolutely free of cost. If you're interested, you can open account with Delta Exchange. Link is there. Now, where are you guys from? Dheeraj sir, where are you from? TikTok is, where are you from, sir? I'm from Chennai. Okay, Dheeraj sir, Bangalore. Okay. I got to know Santosh sir also is Bangalore. What about others? Kochi, Kerala. Okay. Hi sir, I'm from Chennai. Okay, Ellen sir. Gautam sir, Delhi. Okay. Chennai. I think majority of our followers are from South only, right? Gautam sir from Delhi. Hmm. Rest all from South. Hopefully traders, this time again, rather than trading within a range, if it goes above 97,000, that would be great. Because whatever it is about this trade, good or bad, it goes positive or negative, I mostly want to uh, do that during the live stream itself, right? I want it to happen during the live stream. Trishur, Kerala. All right. Arun sir is from Kerala. Hmm. What about others? Ahmed sir, you're from Chennai. Okay. Next time I will try to remember who's from which city, which state. Also, let me know in the comment section how is your crypto going on. Lakshmi Narayana Babu sir, I thought you are from, Andhra, but you're from Chennai. Okay, sir. Harish sir is from Chennai. What is the brokerage in Delta Exchange? See, there is one video, okay? That video is around 30 minutes, 35 minutes, I said, right? How to trade Bitcoin. This video, you just see in the pinned comment, it will be there. If you go and watch that video, definitely you will get all the information. How brokerage is calculated, how much brokerage, because brokerage is based on the lot size that you take. Okay, so how much based on your lot size will be the brokerage, you can calculate according to that. Everything I would have explained. Sam Sundar sir, Hosur. Okay. Okay, Santosh sir, please watch that video once. I've taken the trade with you as same entry SL and learnt your mindset. Learning your mindset. Okay. Now what about dinner around 9:15 done? Many people already having dinner and watching, is it? What traders is not even hitting 97,000, just going sideways. See, the more sideways it becomes, right? The more sideways it becomes, considering as this support, this support, this support, buyers might enter. So to hunt their stop loss liquidity, create liquidity, it will correct and then move towards the upside. That's the problem. Too much of, the correction should not happen. That to symmetric pattern range, right? The same logic applies from top also, right? Resistance, resistance, resistance. People will keep thinking, okay, previous resistance, I'll place stop loss here, I'll place stop loss. Once one level breaks, continuation when it happens. In this case, if it goes above second area of hunting, then bigger movement, this area and all easily market can clear. Only problem is the probability. After hunting stop loss, if it goes, then difficult. I'm from Kakinada, Andhra. Okay. Veera Prakash sir. Definitely boring market. What about you? I'm from Bangalore, sir. Just a sideways market. Nothing is there to discuss in the sideways market also, right? Both the side attraction is happening. Here at lower lows, sellers are entering. At higher highs, buyers are entering. So both the side, that is how symmetric pattern ideally works, right? Which one side breakout it can give. But whoever has entered already, right? For example, whoever has entered already, if market goes up to this zone, then whoever entered at this zone, they would already make profit. So market will think, okay, there is no requirement for me to hunt their stop loss. Maybe little correction I will do, attract people at the zone who entered at the breakout. Later let me continue the trend. Like that market will think. It all depends on how big the movement is. Today Bank Nifty did a movement, right? The gap up opening. If I can show that to you. Oh, it logged out. Okay. But if you open Bank Nifty chart, when it opened with a bigger gap up, right? One day before it was correcting, Bank Nifty opened with a bigger gap up. Then in this bigger gap up, what would have happened? Anyone who entered buy position, they would have already seen decent profit here. Whoever entered sell position, their stop loss also to a certain extent, majority market removed. So weak sellers, no more hunting can be done, and no more trapping of buyers who already entered earlier can be done. So little correction attracting some weak players, later trend continuation. That is what during the morning when I was sitting in Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, when I was sharing, that is a similar kind of view I shared. So it all depends on, in this case also you see, market was here, it moved up. Now this move is very big. Definitely retail participation is not done. Stop loss hunting only market did. After that, market has no necessity of going below this day's low. From here only, potential of re-entering, buyers re-entering at a fair price value to push the market towards the upside is high. With that logic itself, in this group what I said around 735, this can be the buyer demand zone, around 96,150's range. So if you go here, 96,000 here, around 150 range, this was the buyer's demand zone. So that way, to a certain extent, we can try to analyze the psychology. But symmetric pattern means what? Both the side breakout should happen. If I've already entered, hopefully it goes as per my view. That's all I can hope for and set. Market might go down till 95,700. It will move further. My view slightly changed in current scenario. Market can go up to 95,700. Okay. My view, if market goes to this level, right, this supporting level, then more than reversing, continuation possibility only is high. So if they want to push the market towards the upside without reaching these levels only, they have to push. So once it goes above 97,000 range, things will be a bit easy. One candle is a problem. If this is a glitch, fine, but this one candle which has opened little lower, right, you can see there is a gap. If it is a glitch, it is fine, but just have a look. If this is a candle below it has opened, means it is a problem only. Now what to say about this trade? See, my expectation is, of course, market is forming a symmetric pattern. Market is forming a symmetric pattern. From upper range, sellers are entering the market, liquidity is creating on top, and from the lower range, buyers are getting attracted. So what the market is doing, it is just consolidating within a range, creating liquidity. In symmetric pattern, what happens? Market can give a breakout or a breakdown. Both the side movement is possible. Anyone who's not taken a trade, wait for breakout or breakdown setup. If Since I've already taken my trade, my stop loss is as per my risk capacity. I'm just waiting until market reaches 97,000. If it breaks this level, then my stop loss, what is here, I will trail it to cost. If it hits my stop loss, without thinking too much, I will exit. The bigger zone where buyers are is at this area. As long as strong movement market does, trend continuation possibility is low. If it removes after hitting my stop loss, and if it comes up to this zone, here again upside movement is possible. So no big bearish trade as long as market goes below this trend continuation, I'm saying. Until then, the symmetric pattern range, just hold on. If it breaks, okay, we will capture the moment. If it continues, we'll just trail and go. Anyways, I've not placed the target. Only these areas risk reward calculator I put. But stop loss is most important thing that we have kept it under control. We will get it further towards the upside once it goes above this zone. After removing these people, next continuation probability will be high. Okay. So symmetric pattern, just waiting, holding on to the trade doesn't make sense. So how did you learn trading, sir? Any institute or trading class? Very beautiful. No, I learned most of the things before this Geo came, right? Before YouTube was famous, I learned all of these things. There was that time I got to know about them in YouTube itself, around 2016, that range. Slowly I was following them, and later I learned price action from them. Until then, before all this one, I used to trade with indicators only. Once I learned price action from them, things got more smooth, more better. So the same thing up to 2020, 2021 I was using, but eventually the success rate of only price action started reducing. That is why we had to include two more things. One is trade psychology, another concept is stop loss hunting. So everything which I do right now is based on these three things. Okay. Just 1 year back, I think I went and checked, is that channel there or something. I'd written down the name of the channel from whom I learned the concepts very initially. That channel only is not there. So people from abroad, I learned from them. We are waiting. We are waiting for breakout or breakdown. You seldom use indicator. I did not understand. Seldom means? See, basically, I use Fibonacci very much. It works out for me because it is not a lagging indicator. It's a leading indicator. Most of the other indicators are based on price, correct? So when you learn price action, the necessity of those indicators will not be there to a certain extent, because indicators will give us the data little late compared to price action. So since I have price action and next stop loss hunting concept, Fibonacci levels, trade psychology, use these concepts only for my all trades and all setups. How to maintain patience? See, exciting part is look identifying the setup, everything. Boring part is waiting for it. That is there. CPR also very good leading indicator. I used to use that also very much. But now little see CPR, pivot points, all of these things also is very good because that is leading indicator. Only thing is to a certain extent that will be more useful for people, a lot of who doesn't have any kind of guide. They want some kind of support from someone. So this CPR, pivot points, all of these things can be useful for them to act as a guide of area where they can plan their entry, exit, things like that. It's kind of giving a breakdown at the zone. See, the range is becoming very narrow, so anytime soon the market can do what it wants to do. So it has broken the lower level. Stop loss got triggered. So my expectation is, like I said earlier, either side, if it breaks, that is what is going to happen. It removed people at this zone, here yet to reach this zone. Maybe finally it can give a breakdown here, and again from this zone it can reverse. After breakdown, if it reverses, probability is more high for continuation. Only if it goes below this zone, bigger targets. When I say bigger targets, it is like close to 1800, 2000 points, those kind of possibilities. I'm saying below this level. Until then, here market can remove weak players, it can correct again from this zone, it can correct. So already our live stream is gone close to 1 hour 40 minutes, close to 2 hour. So okay, anyways, this one, as of now, just consider this as stop loss hunting. Okay, removing of buyers, because either it should have removed the sellers or buyers. It has removed the buyers. Later it can attract some people on the put option side and then continue. So little closely you watch, but very big momentum, what would have happened, all these people will see of big profit. So instead of targeting them, continuation can happen. Keep that in mind. All right, so that is about today's trade. Top and bottom same time. Can you please buy trigger on top and bottom? I think you can do. I think you have to go here, bid price, you can choose that. Here you can copy this price or click this price, it will get updated, and then you can choose how much over lots. Two things I've not tried already. Only one side I have tried. Maybe again one more setup simply I don't want to take right now. It is showing some symmetric pattern breakdown. So let it do what it wants to do. I'll give some more time for the update. Whatever is there, I will update in the crypto community group. All right, traders, thanks for participating. Good night, have a good day.